Welcome back, savvy investors. I'm Iggy from Investing Iguana, and today we're diving into a compelling shift in the global electric vehicle (EV) industry. In this video titled The Electric Shift, How China is Overtaking the West in EV Production, I'll guide you through the dramatic changes that are redefining the EV landscape. We're all familiar with Tesla's reign in the EV market, but there's a seismic shift happening. Chinese automakers, led by BYD, are not just catching up but are actually overtaking Western giants in EV production. I'll break down how this happened, what it means for the global market, and the potential investment opportunities it presents. So buckle up as we explore the intriguing world of EVs and understand why China's rise in this sector is a game-changer for investors like us. In a startling shift, BYD, a Chinese automaker, has overtaken Tesla as the world's biggest producer of EVs. And it's not just BYD. Other Chinese EV makers are gearing up to storm the European market with much more wallet-friendly options than their Western counterparts. Here's something interesting: you might have already seen these EVs around without realizing it. I remember my surprise in Mexico City when a BYD vehicle showed up for my Uber ride. And in the US, BYD electric buses have been cruising the streets for years. The implications of this rise in Chinese auto industry, especially in the realm of EVs, are massive. For long, building and exporting cars has been a cornerstone of the American and European economies. With the US valuing its car exports at about $55 billion and the European Union at a staggering $174 billion, the surge of Chinese EVs poses a significant challenge, particularly in emerging markets where cheaper alternatives are in demand. Ford CEO Jim Farley hit the nail on the head last year when he pointed out that the real competition is not GM or Toyota, but China. This shift didn't happen overnight. It's the result of strategic decisions and hefty investments in clean technology over a decade ago, especially post the global financial crisis. China's commitment to this cause has been monumental, with subsidies for EVs from 2009 to 2022 estimated in the tens of billions of dollars. This investment has propelled Chinese companies not just in EVs, but across the clean energy sector, from solar panels to lithium-ion batteries, outpacing American companies. This should be a wake-up call to industries beyond automotive and energy. The demand for clean technologies is reshaping markets globally, and those who lead the charge in this energy transition will reap the rewards. So, what does this mean for investors in Singapore and globally? It's a signal to watch the clean energy and EV spaces closely, as the landscape is rapidly evolving. For those invested in traditional automakers or energy companies, it's time to reassess and possibly diversify. And for those looking at long-term growth sectors, Chinese EVs and clean technology might just be the next big thing. What about the future of BYD stock? Given BYD's recent headline-making accomplishment of surpassing Tesla as the world's biggest EV producer, there's a lot to unpack about its potential in the coming year. Market position and growth: BYD's leap to the forefront of EV production is a game-changer. Its strategic expansion into European markets with affordable EV offerings positions it to capture a significant share, particularly in cost-sensitive segments. This expansion strategy, coupled with its dominance in China, the world's largest EV market, sets BYD up for robust growth in 2024. Innovation and Diversification, YD, a company known for its electric vehicles, EVs, is not just a one-trick pony. It has strategically diversified its business portfolio to include not only EVs but also battery technology and renewable energy solutions. This diversification strategy is a smart move as it reduces BYD's dependence on a single market segment, thereby enhancing its resilience against risks that are specific to one industry. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, BYD has positioned itself as a key player in the field of battery technology. Batteries are the heart of any electric vehicle, and by investing in this area, BYD ensures that it stays at the forefront of the EV market. The company's advancements in battery technology could potentially lead to longer-lasting batteries, faster charging times, and ultimately, more efficient and reliable electric vehicles. In addition to battery technology, BYD has also ventured into the realm of renewable energy solutions. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change, the demand for clean and sustainable energy sources is on the rise. By offering renewable energy solutions, BYD is not only contributing to the fight against climate change, but also tapping into a market with huge growth potential. Government support and policy impact. BYD has significantly benefited from China's aggressive push towards clean energy. This push includes various subsidies and policy support specifically designed for EVs. These government incentives have played a crucial role in promoting the adoption of EVs and have directly contributed to BYD's success in the market. However, it's important to note that these incentives have been reduced recently. While this might seem like a potential setback for BYD, the company might not be significantly affected due to the established momentum and market maturity in the EV sector. Over the years, the EV market in China has grown exponentially, and the demand for EVs remains strong even without substantial government subsidies. Therefore, the impact of reduced incentives on BYD might be mitigated by the robust market dynamics. That being said, investors interested in BYD should remain vigilant about any new policies that could affect the company's market dynamics. Government policies can have a significant impact on the business environment, and any changes in these policies could potentially affect BYD's performance. For instance, new regulations related to battery production or renewable energy could either present new opportunities or pose new challenges for the company. Competitive landscape: BYD, while leading in volume in the electric vehicle (EV) sector, is operating in an increasingly competitive landscape. The global EV market is seeing a surge of competition from various players, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Tesla, for instance, is a formidable competitor with its strong brand recognition and advanced technological capabilities. Tesla's vehicles are known for their high performance, long range, and cutting-edge features like autopilot. The company's continuous innovation and commitment to quality have earned it a loyal customer base and a strong position in the market. However, the competition is not just from Tesla. There are emerging players in the EV market that are making significant strides in technology and design. These new entrants are not only increasing the options available to consumers, but also pushing the boundaries of what is possible in electric mobility. Moreover, traditional automakers are not sitting idle. Many of them are ramping up their EV game, investing heavily in electric technology, and launching new EV models. These automakers bring with them years of experience in vehicle manufacturing and a deep understanding of consumer preferences. This intensifying competition could influence BYD's market share and pricing strategies. With more options available to consumers, BYD might need to adjust its pricing to remain competitive. It might also need to continuously innovate to differentiate its products and maintain its market share. Global economic climate: the broader economic environment plays a crucial role in the performance of BYD, a leading company in the electric vehicle (EV) industry. This includes factors such as trade relations, supply chain dynamics, and consumer spending patterns. These elements can significantly influence BYD's business operations and financial performance. Trade relations, for instance, can affect the cost and availability of raw materials needed for EV production. Positive trade relations can facilitate the smooth flow of these materials, thereby supporting BYD's manufacturing operations. On the other hand, trade disputes or restrictions could lead to increased costs or supply chain disruptions. Supply chain dynamics are another important factor. The EV industry relies on a complex supply chain, involving everything from battery production to vehicle assembly. Efficient supply chain management can help BYD reduce costs, improve product quality, and respond quickly to market changes. Consumer spending patterns also play a key role. The demand for EVs is largely driven by consumer spending, which can be influenced by various factors including economic conditions, government policies, and public sentiment towards clean energy. Amidst potential global economic uncertainties, positive economic trends could boost consumer spending on EVs, thereby benefiting BYD. Investor sentiment and stock performance. Investor sentiment and stock performance are crucial aspects to consider when evaluating a company like BYD, which is a strong player in the electric vehicle (EV) market and clean technology sector. Recently, there has been an increasing interest from the investor community in sustainable and clean energy stocks. This trend is driven by a growing awareness of environmental issues and the potential for significant growth in the clean energy sector. BYD, with its robust position in the EV market and its focus on clean technology, is likely to continue attracting investor attention. The company's commitment to innovation and sustainability, along with its strong financial performance, makes it an attractive option for investors looking for exposure to the clean energy sector. However, investors should be mindful of overvaluation risks. The hype surrounding clean energy stocks can sometimes lead to inflated stock prices. While this can result in high short-term returns, it also increases the risk of a price correction in the future. Therefore, investors need to carefully evaluate BYD's stock performance and valuation in the context of its financial fundamentals and the broader market trends. And there you have it, a detailed look at how China is revolutionizing the EV market and challenging Western dominance. From strategic decisions a decade ago to their current technological advancements, China's journey in the EV space is a story of innovation, foresight, and bold moves. As investors, understanding these global market shifts is crucial for spotting emerging opportunities and making informed decisions. If you found this insight into the EV market valuable, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to Investing Iguana for more in-depth analyses and investment trends. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow investors who might find it helpful. Remember, staying informed is key to successful investing, and here at Investing Iguana, we're all about empowering you with the knowledge you need. Until next time, keep analyzing, keep investing, and stay ahead of the curve.